Let's talk about the latest launched MEIZU smartphone 21 Pro. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with 2K LTPO AMOLED display, 6.79 inches Quad HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1368 by 3192 pixels, 21:9 aspect ratio, 87.4% screen to body ratio, approximately 512 ppi pixel density, 1250 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10 plus support, and with MEIZU Titan Glass 2.0 protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel 24mm OIS main camera, along with 10 megapixel 72mm periscope telephoto 3x optical zoom and 30x digital zoom camera, and with 13 megapixel 15mm ultra-wide angle camera with ring LED flash. For selfies it has 32 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 8K on rear camera, and front camera also supports video. For the software, the handset turns on Android operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Flyme OS screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 3.3 GHz single-core Cortex-X4, plus 3 GHz dual-core Cortex-A720, plus 3.2 GHz tri-core Cortex-A720, plus 2.3 GHz dual-core Cortex-A520, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 750 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB, 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 TB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.98 by 74.42 by 7.98 mm, and it weighs around 208 or 214 grams, and the color options: Starry Night Black, MEIZU White, Laurel Green, Glacier Blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5050 mAh battery, with 80-watt fast charging, 50-watt wireless charging, 10-watt reverse wireless charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS L1 plus L5, USB Type-C headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers, and a USB Type-C charging port, IP68 dust and water resistant, infrared port for remote control, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The MEIZU 21 Pro has been priced for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 4,999 Chinese yuan, and around $704 and 195,999 Pakistani rupees, and 58,999 Indian rupees, while the 16 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 5,399 Chinese yuan, and around $760, and 211,999 Pakistani rupees, and 63,999 Indian rupees, while the 16 GB plus 1 TB storage variant at 5,899 Chinese yuan, around $830, and 230,999 Pakistani rupees, and 68,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this MEIZU 21 Pro smartphone? Let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.